What does Google Ads remarketing mean? Uh, Remarketing is when you go to a website or a landing page, you don't convert, or you may convert as well. That's not an issue. And then that website will pixel you in or tag you in, so you're cookied in. And then when you go to other websites like ESPN, New York Times, bbc.co.uk or .com, all these other third-party websites where Google can potentially place their ads, you will find that company's ads following you. One of the best companies for remarketing and retargeting is Amazon. You go to Amazon, you don't buy that product, you just look at it, and then you go off Amazon and you'll find that that product is following you all over the internet. So that is what we call a dynamic remarketing. With service-based industries, so like ours, where we are selling Google Ads services, web design, photography, and so on, we can't do dynamic remarketing. But what we can do is, let's say if somebody visited a particular web page or a blog post, we can then create specific ads for that user. So if somebody comes to my website, looks at Google Ads, then the ads can be about Google Ads. Whereas somebody who goes to my website and lands on a photography or a video marketing page, then the photography or the video marketing ads will follow them. So you can follow or remarket on YouTube, Google Display Network, which has got over 2 million high quality websites. It covers literally almost 80-85% of the internet. You can also remarket on search ads, which we call it as the RLSA, remarketing list for search ads. So somebody who went to Google, searched for a keyword, they clicked an ad, and then they went back to Google and they started to search again, which quite often we do. So then the remarketing ads on the search network you can also run. And on Gmail, you can also run your remarketing campaign.